Very good morning, all the students of 7th standard. We are learning here 8th lesson of our history. Page number 33 is going on. 7th standard 8th lesson of history and ideal ruler. This is our 8th lesson, an ideal ruler. Yesterday we have completed our 7th lesson, so exercise about this I will tell afterwards. 8th one will see an ideal ruler. Before the foundation of Swaraj, Maharashtra was under the dominations of the Adil Shahi, Siddhi, Portuguese and Mughal power. Before the foundation, before the establishment of the Swaraj, our Maharashtra territory was under the control, under the dominance of foreign powers. So the rules, Adil Shah, Siddhi, Portuguese and the Mughals, they ruled our Maharashtra. Shivaji Maharaj struggled against these powers, but when Shivaji Maharaj was there, when he tried to set up his own Swaraj empire in Maharashtra, that time while set up or while establishing the Swaraj, Shivaji Maharaj struggled against these powers. He faced all kinds of adverse circumstances, and along with that, facing these problems to set up the powers, he faced the different adverse circumstances, different conditions. The situations for the condition was not favorable for him, it was against for him. Then also he set up his own power by fighting in these conditions. He founded an independent and sovereign Swaraj. Shivaji Maharaj set up or established an independent or sovereign Swaraj, independent or free Swaraj established by Shivaji Maharaj in Maharashtra. He set up a system for the administration of this Swaraj. Proper system is set up for the administration of the Swaraj. When he was trying to set up to establish Swaraj in Maharashtra, that time proper good administrative systems he set up. He turned Swaraj into the Suraj. Along with that, what is the Swaraj is there of the Maharashtra, Swaraj of the Shivaji Maharaj, that Swaraj he turned into the Suraj or good governance. So he turned into the Suraj or he turned into the Suraj, a kingdom that served the welfare of all. What is meant by Suraj? Suraj means a kingdom that served the welfare of all the peoples. In this way he turned his kingdom there. Maharaj created a new order with his capability. So Shivaji Maharaj created a new order, a good order he created, administrations created with his good sensibility or with his capability or ability. So in the course of the conflict for the founding of the Swaraj, he himself had to face many grave dangers. So what is there in the course of the conflict when he was struggling against these powers? In the course of that conflict or the power, Shivaji Maharaj faced many grave danger situations, that conditions he faced. There were a number of the events like the meeting with Afzal Khan, the siege of Panala, the attack on Shahistar Khan, escape from Agra, all involved a great amount of risk. So number of the events were there. They attached with Shivaji Maharaj, or Shivaji Maharaj came out from that number of the event. Dangerous events were there. For example, meeting with Afzal Khan, not sure about his own safety. So the siege of Panala, attack on the Shahistar Khan's there, and also escape from Agra. All these events involved a great risk of his life that Shivaji Maharaj emerged successful in all these events. So he emerged as a successful, as a great warrior, as a victorious person. He emerged a successful into that, or he came out of this. No harm came to him. So in this, no harm came to Shivaji Maharaj. He was not harmed through this event. Shivaji Maharaj could establish Swaraj due to his loyal and dedicated associates. So as we know that Shivaji Maharaj he established the Swaraj only because of his loyal associates, only because of his loyal friends, companions. Because of that he set up or established the Swaraj. correct proverbs and the different languages that state the importance of the friendship. For example, friends in need is a friends indeed. Proverbs are there. Means how Shivaji Maharaj got support from his companions, from his friends, Maharaj, that we have to explain through the proverb. Next, organizational skill. Maharaj inspired the people around him to work for the Swaraj. Shivaji Maharaj he inspired those with people around him. He inspired them to work for the Swaraj. They should be support Shivaji Maharaj in the cause of founding and establishing Swaraj. His organizational skill was unparalleled. The skill, organizational skill of the Shivaji Maharaj, he has the capability, ability, or the skill to be organized, to unite the peoples, to guide the people, to lead the people. That skill inspired many peoples, and it was unparalleled. This skill was not mostly we can see into the many peoples. Only in a few people we can see such type of skill, that organization skill. With this skill, he drew around himself a brave peoples who were also extremely loyal. So with his skill, that he drew around the brave peoples, many brave peoples, they were with the Shivaji Maharaj because of his organizational skill, and they were loyal toward the Shivaji Maharaj. They honest toward the Shivaji Maharaj. These close associates of Maharaj perform their duty. That so those who are the close associates, companions with the Shivaji Maharaj, they perform their duty, they perform their task, their responsibility in a proper way by giving 100% contributions in the foundations of the Swaraj. So there are many instances of this in the founding of the Swaraj. Number of the means there were a number of the examples were there at that time. So means for establishing the of Swaraj, many people's loyal associates, they supported Shivaji Maharaj in the cause of establishing Swaraj. So because of them only it was possible for Shivaji to set up the Swaraj. So for Shivaji Maharaj also it was not easy to set up without their help or without their support. So the contribution of these loyal associates also very important or noteworthy in the cause of in the establishment or in the foundation of Swaraj. So some of the loyal, brave, loyal, trusted, noteworthy officers, comrades were with the Shivaji Maharaj. They were Jiva Mahale, one who killed the Bada Sayyid at a critical moment during the meeting with the Afzal Khan. Jiva Mahale was there. He was his contribution was also very important when Shivaji Maharaj, when he went to meet with Afzal Khan. It was a critical point of view or the timing for the Shivaji Maharaj, and in that meetings, dangerous meetings, a risky moment for the Shivaji Maharaj, and in such a moment, Jiva Mahale he came forward and he saved Shivaji's life from Bada Sayyid. He was expert in using Dantpatta. So there was sentences also Hota Jiva. Because of Jiva, Shiva was saved. Like can say mostly they say that. Shiva Kasit also, who crossed the sage of Panagarh in the disguise of Shivaji Maharaj. Shiva Kasit he helped when Shivaji Maharaj he trapped into the Panagarh fort. In the previous lessons we have studied when Siddhi Johar, when he saged to the Panagarh fort, that time Shiva Kasit, one who looked like as the Shiva disguise as Shivaji Maharaj, who wore the dresses of Shivaji. He was Shivaji's hairdresser. Looked like as a same copy of the Shivaji Maharaj, who dressed Shivaji Maharaj and dresses and came toward the Siddhi Johar for surrender. He knew that if he came to know, then Siddhi Johar will not forgive him, he will not excuse. So he sacrificed his life there in that incident. Baji Prabhu Deshpande, who blocked the advance of the enemies on the way of Vishalgarh when he escaped from the Panagarh and proceeding toward the Vishalgarh. At that time, Baji Prabhu Deshpande, who this person, so the brave Maratha Sardar, loyal trusted Sardar of Shivaji Maharaj, he took the responsibility or the charge to block enemy's army at the foothill of at the mouthpiece of pass of Godkin. So this there were many persons with there. Morarbaji Deshpande, who defended the fort of Purandar in a proper way. This work is also noteworthy. Tanaji Marusari, who sacrificed his life while conquering the Sinhgarh fort. Tanaji Marusari's achievement is also important, contribution is important. Sacrificed his own life when he was a child, reconquering Sinhgarh fort. He sacrificed his life. There was a marriage of his son. After a few days, so he kept aside his son's marriage and he took the charge to be captured to conquer the Kondhana fort. So, Sinhgarh fort. So, Kondhana was renamed as Sinhgarh. Hiroji, Farzand and Madari Mehtar, who risked their lives during their escape of Maharaj from the Agra. When Shivaji Maharaj he was house arrested into the Agra when he went to meet the Emperor's 15th birthday. That function there on the call, suggestion of Mirza Rajat Singh. There house arrested him. There from that house arrest, Shivaji Maharaj escaped. Madari Mehtar and Hiroji Farzand, they were behind at that times. Maharaj took great care of his associates. For example, Kanoji JD was associated with Maharaj in the work of the Swaraj from the very beginning. When the aging Kanoji fell ill, Maharaj told him not to neglect his medicines and treatment on any account. So those were associates, those were companions. He always took a great care of them. He always suggested them to be look after their health. One example they gave about the Kanoji JD that when he was ill, that time Shivaji Maharaj warned him look after his health and take the medicine in a proper way. So in this way we can understand the nature of Shivaji Maharaj. So today we will stop here. Thank you very much. Bye bye.